One of the great premium positionings you can do here is, hey, most AI tools are ChatGPT 4 based. We don't run on ChatGPT 4. We run on Claude Sonnet 4, which was just released today. We run on Claude Sonnet 4. Why? Because it's got way better language processing and it actually makes you sound like a lawyer instead of sounding like a dodgy AI. Now, to upgrade from a GPT package to a Claude package is an extra $1,000 a month, but the quality's worth it. That's the sort of thing you can do to really upgrade. And of course, again, these sorts of clients are used to retainers from their clients, so they're used to retainers for their services.